Hey guys, I feel like it's time we make a video about institutional investing because a lot of people don't really know this, but in a normal market, institutional investing is what moves the markets. There's more institutional money out there than our money. They call the institutional money smart money, and they call us retail investors dumb money, but I mean, Reddit obviously proved them wrong on some chances, but using I kind of follow institutional investing and a lot of my investing to see just what the institution sentiment is on the stock, because if the smart money's going there, the dumb money probably wants to be there too. But let's go look at some examples. For example, guys, this popular weed stock, marijuana stock, SNDL, look at the institutional ownership. It's only 1.16%. Now, a lot of you guys know me from Fiverr, and I answered a lot of your questions. I used to give out stock picks. This stock came across all the time. It's a penny stock. It's a marijuana play. It has very low institutional investing. Next stock here. Let's compare that to something like Netflix. And I like this site the best, NASDAQ, just because it's simple. One click, you're in there. Scroll down and you see. A great company like Netflix, almost 80% institutional investing. Let's just take another look at another good company, Amazon. They have 56. Now, see, a good company, when an institutional investor sees a good company, they're going to get in and they're going to move the price up. And you know what? You know where we're starting to see a correlation in this now? Look at the correlation between the market and Bitcoin. They're starting to correlate as you see companies like Tesla, Square, PayPal, and I don't know, all the other ones getting into Bitcoin. You're now seeing in Bitcoin the beauty of institutional investing. So when you're picking stocks, institutional investing is a great metric to see where the smart money's at. Now, I'm not knocking any of these penny stocks, but they're penny stocks for a reason. Maybe they're unproven, maybe they're new, maybe they didn't start out as penny stocks. But let's just look at a lot of the penny stocks that I've seen coming across my desk when I was working on Fiverr, doing stock picks or analyzing people's portfolio. A lot of the hot picks at the time. This has 20%. Okay, guys. One last thing I want to tell you about institutional investing, and the beauty behind it is, if you guys go watch some videos and talk about Warren Buffett talking about how he buys stocks, big institutions like his and others, they don't get in and out like we do. When they buy a stock, they got to wait for a good entry point like us. But when they buy the stock, it moves the price up. So, by catching this on a trend, you can really profit. This is great for swing trading because you can catch a trend for weeks or even months. And that's why I monitor the institutional buying in on the stocks that I love. Before you buy a stock, you should know the percentage of institutional investors in it, and then keep monitoring it to see, are they growing? Is there less? Is there more? But this is just one indicator out of many I use to pick my stocks. I'll be making more videos like this. Tell me what you want to hear. Ask me your questions. I just think monitoring institutional investors on your stocks is important. I think it's a very important point that a lot of people overlook. And there's a lot of these hacks in the market. It's like, this is why I like the stock market more than crypto. Stock market's been around. There's more indicators. They kind of give you the answer. So the more indicators you know about the stock, the better you know about it. So just look at all these little penny stocks that are being pushed around. Look at their institutional investing compared to the great companies that's been around, Amazon, Visa, Netflix, I mean, everything, all that, you'll see the difference. But like I said, by monitoring the PE ratios, I mean, you can filter out the stocks. That's what I do. I do a screen filter on I forget what website. We'll cover all that in another video. I just wanted to go over institutional investing. So, if you use it, tell me about it in the comments. And I'd love to hear from you. Tell me about what you want to hear. You know what? I wanted to review stocks, but I think I'd rather teach, because that's what my website was supposed to be, was a teaching platform. And I'd like to keep that business model alive, because why not? Everyone's pushing stocks. That's great. We're all buying them. When they dip, we buy them. When they rally, we sell them. Let's learn how to do it, all right? If you have any questions, let me know. Subscribe. Follow me on everything. All right. Have a good one, guys.